Hi children, welcome to biology class. So it's very interesting to be in biology class, right? Because we study about ourselves in biology. So the lesson which we are going to see today is components of food. So in this lesson, you will be able to describe and list the food groups at the end of the session. Okay, so now let's start the session. So food. Why do we need food? If we are hungry, we need food, right? That is very simple. But why is it important? Because it helps us to survive. It helps us to live. Okay, so food is essential for the survival of living organisms. It provides energy to carry out our daily activities, develop, grow, and repair our body parts in case of any damage. So understanding the importance of consuming the right kind of food is very important. So let's see few examples of food and the components of food. Okay, so if we eat dal, eggs, meat and all, what do we get? We get protein. Fruits and vegetables contain vitamins. Cereals, pulses, oats contain carbohydrates. Oil, ghee, butter, cheese, chocolates contain what? Fat. That makes you chubby, right? You look very cute when you're chubby. So this fat helps in your looks. Now the nutrients. So where is the nutrient? Nutrient is found in the food. When the food is healthy, we have different nutrients in it. Each dish is made up of one or more ingredients which we get from animals or plants. These ingredients include important components that are needed by our body to function properly. So these components are called what? Nutrients. These nutrients in our food are named as fats, carbohydrates, proteins, vitamins and minerals. Also, food contains water and dietary fibers which are needed by the human body. So what is a balanced diet? To stay fit for an optimal health and a well-being, having a healthy or balanced diet is a must for the human body. A balanced diet includes all the requirements of the nutrients including carbohydrates, vitamins, proteins, fats, fibers and a lot more. This is a healthy diet which provides all the necessary requirements essential for the survival, growth and for our body organs to function accurately. What do various nutrients do for our body? So we saw that we have food when we are hungry and these food have nutrients in them. But why do we need all these? Nutrients play a vital role in determining the health of our body. These nutrients are used during the process of nutrition by each and every cell in our body to carry out the basic functions. Fat provides more energy to our body as compared to the carbohydrates. Body-building foods are foods that contain proteins. Have you ever had the chenna? It's very yummy, right? That builds our body. Vitamin helps our body to fight against diseases and also helps to keep our eyes, gums, bones in healthy shape. There are different kinds of vitamins such as vitamin B, vitamin A, vitamin B complex, C, D, E, K, etc. Vitamin C prevents our body against diseases. Now let's see that there are foods, right? So these foods have different types. So let's see how it is categorized according to the nutrients in them. They are categorized into three types: energy giving foods, bodybuilding foods and protective foods. Now, energy building foods. We need energy to move, to grow, to fight with our sisters and brothers. No, to fight with our diseases and for the body to repair itself. We get this energy from where? From the carbohydrates and fats. Carbohydrates alone provide 60 to 80% of the energy we need. Bodybuilding food. The main structures of the body like muscles, skin, blood and other tissues are made of protein. So we need protein for bodybuilding, growth and for the repair of tissues. In addition, we also get energy from proteins. Next comes the protective food. Vitamins and minerals are known as protective foods because they protect our body against diseases. They keep our body healthy and for the proper functioning of the body. So, all these nutrients or the components, how are we getting those? Carbohydrates, these are digested and broken down into glucose and provides energy to the body. Fats store energy, protects and insulates the important organs. Proteins help in metabolism, acts as enzymes and hormones. Vitamins, these help in maintaining healthy bones, boost the immune system. What is the immune system? Resistance. Yeah, very good. Heal wounds, repair and damage of the cells and converting food into energy. Iodine, formation of thyroid hormone. Calcium helps in the proper functioning of the nervous system and maintains healthy bones. Phosphorus helps to maintain an acid-base balance in the body. Sodium controls the blood pressure. Iron facilitates the formation of hemoglobin in our blood. Fibers, they help in the food absorption and prevention of constipation. Water, they help in absorbing nutrients from the food and release waste from the body in the form of urine and sweat. So, these are the important things or the basic things about food which we have come across today. So, with this, we are ending this video session and we will continue with this components of food in our next session also. See you soon, children. Bye-bye.